What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a brand new POV video. Now today we're trying out something different. We're trying a night POV drive. A couple of you guys have requested this and I've decided to finally go through with it. Now you join me inside the latest generation VW Polo in R-Line specification, and this car belongs to a close friend who's now also a creator on YouTube. Do check out his YouTube, which is on screen right now. I guarantee you he makes some really cool car reviews and car videos in general. Do check out Peace on his YouTube. I'll also link the link down in the description below. So let's see how this night POV drive thing goes. So this car is familiar to you all, I believe. It needs no introduction. So underneath the bonnet, we have a 1-liter turbo 3-cylinder with 85 kilowatts and 200 Newton meters of torque. It's mated to a 7-speed DSG transmission. So yeah, we have the Apple CarPlay on display. We have the Digital Cockpit Pro. We have the ambient lighting. So it sets off a really nice ambience, so as to say. So this one is also spec'd with the IQ lights. So I'm interested to see how they'll perform on camera, if you'll be able to see some of the tricks and bits that the IQ lights are capable of. So let's see how it all comes across on video. Hopefully it comes out well. Oh, the IQ light is already going. But at this point I have no idea how it looks on camera. And I quite like how it highlights road signs. Like that green board right there is highlighted. That is so cool. Another thing I want to demonstrate. Okay, this stretch is short, but out of interest's sake, I want to see like how quickly it gets to a certain speed. Let's say 100 kilometers an hour, but I'm not sure if I can reach 100 until that next robot, but let's see. So I'm gonna go foot flat now. Oh, there's a car in front of me, so the plan is not gonna work out. So I'll see, wherever I get the chance, I'll try it out, just so you get an idea of what the acceleration is like on the car, the performance in general. It's like we'll call it a real world test of some sort. So all these signs right here are literally highlighted by the lights. Let me tell you, these lights are so cool. Up until you experience them for yourself, they are so trippy, but it's so cool to experience. So right now I currently have them on auto, so I have automatic high beam, and yeah, everything is basically automated on the lights. When a car comes, they'll lower the beam so you don't dazzle other drivers, that sort of jazz. There's the IQ lights going. So yeah, I don't know, I think for the rest of the video I'll just keep my mouth shut, unless up until I have a comment to make on the experience. So let's see how quickly we can get to 100. So my foot is literally flat right now. Gearbox holds up all the way, 70, 85, and that's 100. So yeah, you have decent performance for everyday to-day use. I don't think anyone needs more performance than this, unless you're a petrol head of some sort. Yes, performance is fun, but for the average person who just wants a car that's nice to drive, that can get you anywhere quickly, this is certainly enough. There is some good punch to the motor. For the size of it and the weight, the 200 Newton meters can literally pick it up in whatever situation. So it's easy to pull overtakes and do that sort of jazz in this thing. And as you can see, even at night, the cabin is really nice. The ambient lighting really does make a difference, even though you can't switch to different colors and stuff, but it's still well appreciated. I feel like it's well integrated and all. But yeah guys, I think I'll conclude it right here. Thank you for tuning into this POV video, and until next time, that's cheers from me.